Yo, it's your boy Z. How's it going, guys? It's been a long ass time since I did a vlog, but I'm sure you've seen the videos that I've made in the last couple months since my last vlog, I believe, of the feature films of Sakura Creative's S15, the Evo Cruise, and also Dylan Rendell's FDRX7 here in the shop. Another thing you may have noticed, the shop is not so empty. So I got a good deal from a friend of mine who unfortunately had to close up his business, but thankfully he reached out to me and asked me if I wanted some shop gear. So we got his floors, we got the black walls, and we got the shelvings here, and the 32. Funny enough, there's not really an update on the 32. Anyway, so we got false walls just to cover the pretty much the workspace here. Some floors, the showroom floor, and yeah, we got the sim over there, still over here. We got the shelvings over here, and I may as well show you a little update on the 32. There hasn't been really much. It's just collecting parts, but there is a deadline for halfway hangs. And I'm really hoping that we'll get it done get it done, registered and driving reliably for halfway hangs in February 20 something, 28th or 20, like the end of February. So here's the update. Nothing at all. Mainly because I am currently still doing the plenum. So we got our plenum back. We got our plenum from Plasma Man over here, but I sent our intake runners to get powder coated, and unfortunately, he's taking a while to get them done. But at the same time, not entirely in a rush. Like, I do want to get it running, but there isn't much to get it running. And yeah, so basically, with this vlog, I thought I may as well show you what's been going on behind the scenes. That was going on behind all the feature films I was doing, because I got too excited and pretty much just did a lot of cinematic videos instead. But there was a lot of things that happened. So we did a reveal video on the S15. We did the Cars and Coffee number 2, which went amazing, which you guys probably have seen. We also have done the Evo Cruise and the FDRX7. So pretty much, it was like, there's been videos coming out, all right? Like, give me a chance. I've been real busy. Anyway, I'm filming this on Christmas Day. I don't really celebrate Christmas, so I decided to come into the shop. And pretty much just clean it up for a bit. I'm gonna hit the gym afterwards, but pretty much I'm just gonna make a little recap video on what's been going on the last couple of months. I may make a little compilation. No, alright, fuck it. This will be the 2022 compilation video. Can't be fucking making 2 videos in like 2 weeks, or till the end of 2022. So, it's been a big year. Fuck, where do I even start? We moved in here in March, I believe. May or March, we moved in here. It was like dead empty. We literally only had like the toolbox and a bunch of cars here and a bunch of parts everywhere. And we had the office upstairs when we first started. Now everything's changed to, yeah, pretty much having the workspace there. We got Fogo, we got Wheel turboing his MX-5 here. We got, yeah, more benches, and we also got, yeah, the floors, boo-da-boo-da-ba, boo-da-boo. And honestly, still no progress on the 32. But what can you do, eh? Since I mentioned the MX-5, Mr. Wilbo Steers here. You probably have seen him around, or have seen him in photos that I've taken in the last couple months. So yeah, a little update on Wilbo. If you're watching this, really impressed. But anyway, He's doing, he took the motor out, gave it a good clean, do a quick inspection, gonna put the turbo on. He got a full kit from Yabba. So that's that. Virgo's S14, I believe, needs to freshen up his motor. But he did get his Pathfinder running and driving, which is awesome. Yeah, now he's been driving that around and having a good time at the beach, fishing and all that stuff, you know, all that 4B stuff. But he's having a good time after getting it running. Pretty sure that Pathfinder, he said that it wasn't running for like 5 years or so, and he's been sitting in front of his grandparents' house. I could be wrong. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna make this into a 2022 compilation video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I am very appreciative from all the support that I've gotten in the past year since we started here. We only started at 2021 December, but obviously the whole idea and concept has been running through my mind for years. And like, this is actually probably my 4th shop that I tried to get into. Now I finally have it. Been in almost a year now in the shop, and honestly I'm loving it. Yeah. Big plans for 2023. There's gonna be, you know, 2022 was crazy, but I feel like 2023 will be a lot more crazier, more events, more parts will be in our online store. And who knows, maybe we'll be able to start tracking, like start doing some proper track days with the Evo. I don't plan on tracking the 32 anymore, mainly because it's just, I don't know, I've owned it for years. I'll probably want to make it into like a very, very good street car where I can just put some dish wheels, some power, make it look good, you know, make it sound good. But that should be enough for me. And I hope you guys stay put and see what we can do in 2023. All right, let's get to the montage.